Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot for generating quotes with CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hubspot.com and press enter. Wait for the HubSpot homepage to load completely. Once the homepage is visible, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. You will see fields for both your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the adjacent field. Make sure to check the box that says "Keep me logged in" if you want to stay signed in. After filling in your credentials, click on the Login button. If your email and password are correct, you will be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Find the Sales section within the menu. Hover over or click on Sales to reveal a drop-down menu. Select quotes from this drop-down list. You are now in the Quotes section of HubSpot. To create a new quote, click on the Create Quote button, usually found at the upper right corner. Fill in the required details for the quote, including the product, pricing, and customer information. Once all details are entered, review your quote for accuracy. Click the Save or Send for Signature button to finalize the quote. Your quote is now generated and ready for distribution. If you need to log out, find your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it, and select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged out of HubSpot. This concludes your login and quote generation process in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.